afternoon, respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you the story of the farmer and his 4 sons. Once upon a time there was a farmer. He had 4 sons. The sons always fight among themselves. One day the farmer got ill. Then he got all the sons. He wanted them to be together. He asked them to bring a bundle of sticks. Then he asked to break the bundle of sticks. Each of them tried, but no one could break it. The farmer told the sons to take out one stick and break them. Now each of them broke it easily. Then farmer said to his sons, "If you are untied, nobody can break or harm you. If you are alone, anyone can harm you." After this, all sons stopped fighting and started